What's up, guys? Welcome back. We're gonna give you a visual postcard of Marine Lab here in Mangilao. Let's go check it out. First, I'll show you how you get here. So from UOG, you gotta turn down here and then go down this hill. Be careful, there's some speed bumps. You gotta go all the way down here. Here's the parking. The gate here closes at 5. We're here at the beautiful Marine Lab. Now we're just gonna walk down this path and we'll go check out the views of Marine Lab. Quick video. Hope you guys like it. So they have a really cool view here. And if you wanted to go more to the shore, you go to the left side. Off-roading. Half a day, guys. That's pretty cool. Like I said, parking's over there. You walk down this little trail, kind of, and you head towards the left side. And you should check out the cool sights of Marine Lab. And here you go, Marine Lab. So, you know me, I love showing you these sights, these visual sights of Guam. This one is Marine Lab here in Mangilao. Looks like there's some people swimming, enjoying the waters. I'm not gonna swim, but just show you a cool tour of the area and, you know, more of this area here, Marine Lab. Yeah. So, this is Marine Lab. Look at that. Things crashing in. You could also go on the side over here and climb on through those rocks if you want to check it out more. Pretty rough waters if you're gonna swim here. I don't have swimming gear, but I just wanted to show you the cool sights. Quick video of Marine Lab here in Manila. Also, if you can see the ground, there's no sand. Just all these coral. Some sand's over there. We'll try not to get wet. Look at that. Look at the stream running from up there. That's cool. So guys, this is Marine Lab. I remember when I went to college, GCC, not UOG, but in GCC, I would come by here to check it out, just hear the crashing of the waves. I think it would be pretty cool, pretty, I guess, soothing for your soul. That wasn't that deep before. There was like kind of like a path and you could kind of take this rock and yeah, check it out. But Marine Lab, pretty rough waters if you're gonna swim here, but very beautiful nonetheless. Look at those swells. Awesome. Yeah, guys, so that's a visual postcard of Marine Lab here in Mangilao, just below UOG. I'm not sure why it's called Marine Lab, but leave a comment down below if you do know why it's called Marine Lab, besides, you know, Marine Lab over here, or what this actual little spot beach is called. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Mark. Peace. I'm out.